Hefty wire!
And the buttons at all.
For motion. They're on.
Alright guys, well we got these from VX Tuning. Little HID kit by Morimoto. So we're gonna install this shit real quick. Pretty simple, plug and play. And we got these headlights we're gonna put back in here. The OGs.
They're all glass, huh?
Yep, glass lenses since these are all faded.
Alright, so we got the whole kit right here. Let's get to installing. And I'll leave a link down in the description of where you can get these from VX Tuning.
Alrighty guys, we're gonna start off by taking off the front bumper. We're just gonna loosen it a little bit just to, you know, get in there into the headlights. I tape back my grill just to keep it out of the way. I hate taking it off and putting that little piece back in for the release. There's 5 bolts in the front under the main grill and then 2 behind the lower grills, and some behind the wheel well too. Here Jordan and I loosen the headlights, just 4 bolts, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. You undo the clip behind the headlight, it'll slide right out. These have seen some better days, so that's obviously why I'm changing everything. Here Josh is installing the new HID bulb into there. Be really careful when you have these really fragile headlights. Here's the ballast we plugged everything into. Just getting everything basically pre-wired, just checking everything to make sure it works. So from here we started kind of mocking everything up to make sure everything was just gonna run well, and maybe I could do like a little hiding. I remember last time when I took out the other kit, the guy kind of just left the wiring everywhere and it was just really hard to deal with. So basically why I wasn't going to do HIDs again, but I said, you know what, I'll give them one more try, just because I like the way how bright they are, and just everything in general about them. Just pretty awesome lights.
Basically, we had to get a male connector because they were both females initially.
What's happening, OG?
You excited for them?
Hell yeah.
So, hey, but didn't you get the, didn't you have them initially? The HIDs? What happened though?
The other kit didn't really work too well, whoever installed them last.
Oh, so we got a brand
new shit, dude.
Wish we could
tuck it later, but for now it'll be fine. Test them up.
Yeah. Testicles 1, 2. Testicles 1, 2. Be smarter than the plastic, Yuri.
Jordan, shut up, dude.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
It's a hell of a button to push, isn't it? Is it all?
Tight on there.
For motion.
Headlight.
They're on. Nothing? Oh, okay. Gotta have power.
Jordan.
Damn, these are glass.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm impressed, Yuri.
We told you.
I'm totally fucking impressed, homie.
Alright, now let's power it up. Give me the green light.
Go for it.
Yes, Captain.
Ignition headlights.
Yes, Captain.
God damn.
They look good?
Oh yeah.
Hold on. Neil on the Dawn needs to come see.
Super blues.
So is that your regular and these are the high beam?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Try the high beam.
Yeah, hit the high beam. We'll double check all the bolts. We gravy. Start installing all this shit. Oh, turn it off, George. Sorry. Yeah.
Pass the wire! Huh.
Shit, you could hide this fucking relay box right here.
That's the hard part, is hiding everything, huh?
Some through.
Yeah. Just they pull all this shit. It's octopus.
Octopussy. You're all in his octopussy.
I don't get the truck.
Shit, you get away with that right there. Screw them fuckers down right there, dude.
Where? You gotta try to put everything in.
Yeah, at least set everything into place. You gotta be able to screw them right back where they were. I'm just gonna have to hide that relay box down there.
One of these days we'll just have to.
Is there a bottom set?
If I ever have to do the front clip, I'll probably like.
Ah, dude, take them bolts out.
Yeah, there was
That
one.
was
in
just
there.
one that was.
Wait, I guess some left. Yeah, I did last time. There's a drill leak.
His dumbass little buddy. Well, he blew the whole bridge, like the whole branch of power for the left headlight. So I took the power off the right headlight, ran it to the left, and made it work. Put a bigger fuse in.
Whatever works, right?
Then I rewired his stereo because he had speaker wires hooked to hot wires, and it just wasn't good.
Track it, doing it.
Pretty much.
Say what's up, you're on YouTube.
Open your eyes. Hey.
I didn't touch it, dude. You did. You're right there, bro. See how you blame everything on everybody else?
What are you trying to do? Get that under there the right way?
Yeah. Damn. Looks good.
Alright, go here, put the rest of your car together. You already locked your car down?
Get rid of this shit. This was from the trip we went on. We were stranded and this grill was falling off.
So we had to zip tie it.
The new one is on the way from ECS 2. Well, hopefully you guys have been enjoying the video so far on the install. We're about to give the R a little wash and then go for a drive and test out these lights. See how good a vision we get some good reactions. Let's go. Alright guys, let's go for a drive and test these lights out. They're already pretty bright.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was VX Tuning's HID kit install.
Alrighty guys, thanks for watching the video once again. Another one down on my own car. We're gonna be doing a review on the R here soon, so stay in touch. Please keep watching our videos. To the people that always watch them and like them and tell us what's up, thank you. I appreciate that so much. Yeah, more to come. Thank you, Jordan, once again for filming. You're the best. Thank you, Josh, for helping me install these as well. So have a good one.